Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sena Momentum EVO Bluetooth helmet, intercom helmet, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the helmet not connecting to your Bluetooth device or not pairing, or if it keeps disconnecting and it's not working, and you've tried a soft reset or a fault reset, which I've made in a separate video, and it just didn't do the trick, now we can kind of move on to the hard reset to the factory default settings. And the second reason that you might want to do this, and you'll have to do it either way, is if you just want to get a fresh start on this helmet, like as if you're buying it new, maybe you're buying this used and you want it to be like new, we can just restore everything back to the out-of-the-box factory defaults on it. Now, it's real easy to do. We need to have power to our thing, to the helmet. And then we're going to come in and we want to enter the settings menu. And how we enter the settings menu is we're going to just press and hold this middle button for 10 seconds. After you hold this for 10 seconds, it will enter, you can let go, it will enter the settings menu. And then we're going to take the volume down button, we're going to tap it twice, 1, 2, and that brings us to the option of the factory default reset. And we just need to then confirm it with one more tap of the middle button, and everything will be wiped off of this helmet. It will turn off and you can turn it back on as a brand new helmet.